easily fairly frightening.
I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
MX3 that is twin engine. Right now I'm just cruising in fourth gear, feeling the car out. It's the first time I've driven it on pavement since I've redone everything. The cage, the firewall, moved the power engine to the back, so I'm running over 400 horse in the back. This thing's gonna be dope. Just gotta let her warm up. Just gonna go for a little bit of a cruise. Look, she's driving dead straight. Driving pretty good. The alignment feels great. I just aired up the front a little bit. I thought I put a little bit too much toe. I'm gonna give it a baby pull, see what happens. Ooh. Nice. Fifth gear's even working. That is awesome. Right now I just have the front engine running. I'm getting it warmed up. The front engine, I've always had problems with it running cold, so I'm just getting up the tap, getting it over with. Something. That is so weird.
Here I started up the rear engine so I could actually like move the car under its own power. Front locked up pretty good, but needed to check it out to make sure.
I'm gonna pull over and find out. There is oil all over the place. I think I literally just blew my engine.
Yeah, so I kind of blew a hole in the side of the block. Rod kind of bent and let go.
Alright, I'm going to give her a little bit of a tug. So good with these tires on.
that was interesting. Blew up the bottom end in the front engine. So that was the bone stock free engine. Turns out it didn't last very long. Holy shit. I literally think I blew up an engine. I turned around and I'm just gonna go and see what fell off, because all I could hear was a cling, clang, cling, and then stopped running. So right after I hit boost too, so that's not a good sign. We'll check it out. All right, so I verified that there's a hole in the block. Right here. You can see oil. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So there's an oil there, so let's find where all these little engine pieces went. Right now I'm trying to find some pieces. Honestly, that poor little engine was on a rip. And as soon as it got like full boost and it started really going, it blew right up. That was crazy. I wish I had both of them running at the same time, because it would have been pulling hard. Unfortunately, today I didn't get to find out what it's like pulling with the full 717 horse, but maybe I'll learn something about my tuning or whatever. But like, it literally was just off the dyno. Yeah, I did blow a hole in the throttle body, but that was nothing to do with it. It was possible that it just threw like 20 pounds of boost at it. I'm not sure. It easily could have been part of it, that's for sure. Like, I'll check my boost controller, and if my boost controller was cranked, I know that I accidentally over boosted it and it's my complete fault. But I'm not sure what the exact issue is. I'm gonna have to find out, but I can't find any engine parts. It's kind of annoying. Like, I want to find something cool, but it didn't seem like the engine like grenaded. It just cracked the block, and there's probably all the engine pieces on the inside. Oh, I'm so glad I came over here. I didn't even notice this, but there's the oil spill right here. All this little stuff. Oh, all right, here we go. Keep going, keep going. Oh no, I'm gonna have to clean all this up. Thankfully, it's not very busy out. Keeps going. I'm gonna quick check and see if my boost controller was cranked, because if that is the case, that was my fault. So, oh my god, the boost controller was cranked. As you can see, it's loose. For less boost, you gotta tighten it. Oh no, oops, I did it the wrong way. So minusing, like loosening it, actually tightens it. So that was all my fault. I gave this engine probably 30 pounds of boost and it just grenaded. That's my fault. That is too bad. So that was not tune related. Actually it was, but the dyno day was good. I got good data and everything, and I was running it at 11 pounds of boost, and I accidentally, when I was on the dyno, I cranked the boost controller to try and compensate because I didn't know that there was a leak, and accidentally left it fully cranked. So it was an 11-pound spring, so I'm thinking it was probably at least 20 pounds of boost, so like close to 500 horse, and it just grenaded it because it's a stock engine. That's too bad. That's really too bad, but live and learn. So that was my fault. So I'm gonna have to learn from this and make sure that my manual boost controllers are always in the right orientation while I'm doing its first base runs and everything. Not good. So I need a new engine. My fault is what it is, but we'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and donate, please. Yeah, that's 100% my fault. If I turned that boost controller down after I fixed the problem from the dyno, I would have been fine. I would have been making 11 pounds, and that would have been making over 300 horse, and that would have been mint. But it was running probably 20 plus pounds of boost, like I said earlier, and stock engines can't handle that, that's for sure. And it was pulling like crazy. The thing was just ripping, and I was really surprised. I was like, oh, this is gonna be fun, because I didn't even have a rip with the rear engine at that point. But yeah, I guess that's my shakedown. It didn't really turn out very well, but that's the way she goes. It is what it is.